What happens when you mix real pineapple, tea, and a hint of lemon? You get the ultimate summer drink that tastes like a tropical breeze and takes just 5 minutes to make. This pineapple tea is hydrating, naturally sweet, and packed with flavor. Here's exactly how to make it. No complicated steps, no random ingredients. You'll need 2 cups water, 2 black tea bags, or green tea if preferred. 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, 1 tablespoon honey, adjust to taste. Juice of 1/2 lemon ice, optional. Instructions. Boil 2 cups of water and steep 2 tea bags for 3 to 5 minutes. While the tea is still hot, add 1 cup of pineapple chunks and let them infuse for 10 minutes. Strain the tea, then stir in 1 tablespoon of honey and the juice of 1/2 lemon. Serve over ice if desired, and optionally garnish with pineapple or lemon. That's it, a refreshing, naturally sweet pineapple tea you'll want on repeat all summer. Want another cool twist? Watch Grapes and Lavender, the refreshing twist your summer needs. It's a must try. Link in the description or right on screen.